Hello, and today I would like to talk about the motorcycle clothing maintenance, and by that I mean washing and cleaning your motorcycle clothes. Ever since I started riding, I was looking for a detergent to use with motorcycle clothes because of the waterproof membranes in the clothing, and I didn't just want to use any ordinary washing powder or washing gel, because I don't know how they would react with the waterproof membranes or laminated waterproofing. So I was looking around and I found this product. This is Dr. Wack's S100 product line, and this is the functional textile washing gel. I've lined up 3 bottles. They are all the same product. This is the very first one I bought. This is 250 milliliters. It cost around 10 euros. And as you can see on the bottle, it says you can use it for 4 washes. And this is based on the table of water hardness and how dirty your clothes are. So average you could get 4 washes out of this bottle. I've used 50 milliliters per wash, so I get 5 washes from this bottle. Then the next one is the same, but probably it's just a packaging change, but this one you cannot find anywhere anymore, or if you can see it listed, it's usually always unavailable. So I ordered this one after the blue one. It's the same product, probably just like I said, the packaging change. This is also 250 milliliters. I use 50 milliliters per wash, and the same results. Everything is really clean after washing with this detergent. And lately I was trying to tried to order a little bit extra because this is almost finished. So I found this. This is a little bit bigger bottle. It's 300 milliliters. It says you could get 5 washes out of this one, but if I use 50 milliliters, then you get probably 6 washes. And the product looks the same, everything is the same, just a change in the packaging. And I really recommend this detergent because it really cleans very well or washes very well, and you particularly notice it if you have this quite woven or coarse fabrics, and normal detergents, if you use, it looks a little bit gray and dull, the fabric after washing. But this one, it like new, really like new, and I really like it because the clothes are clean and so on. So I've lined up my adventure riding pants. They are Scott pants. I will do the review of these pants a little bit later, but I don't know if camera picks it up, but the fabric is really good, really clean, really like new, and if the fabric dries out, it's like crispy again. So it really feels good, and I definitely recommend this washing gel for motorcycle clothes. It is meant for that. It is won some Motorrad magazine test for detergents. Only thing maybe negative about this one is it's quite expensive, because if this small bottle is 10 euros, 12 euros, then the liter becomes like 36, 7, 8 euros. That's quite expensive, considering like normal washing up detergent is maybe 5, 10 euros, a 2 liter bottle, so 5 euros, 2.50 euros, half a liter, 1 liter. So it is a bit expensive, but it really works. I highly recommend it. And you can wash your leathers with this detergent. It says here on the can also for textile and leather. All instructions are in German, unfortunately, all the bottles, but on manufacturer web page. You can find English translations also for how to use and so on. So like I said already, I really recommend it. I am going to keep using this product because I really like it, in despite of high price of the product, but I don't use so much. We have about 6 months season, so I wash my clothes 2-3 times during that time. If I ride a lot and the clothes get muddy, or if there is a lot of like bugs and insects, so after a while the gear doesn't look so good anymore. And if I've done like longer motorcycle trip for 2 weeks and then you have using it every day, your gear, then I come home and I wash them again. So out of this bottle I get almost 2 seasons, so it's not that expensive really, but compared to ordinary detergents it's a little bit expensive. But otherwise I recommend it, and leave me a comment if you have used this product and what you think about it. So thank you very much, and see you on my next maintenance and care videos.